in the culture of the ANC, the respect for the judiciary and the decisions of the court. And this morning, this judgment must then be transmitted to the ANC for a proper ventilation, including on the work that we do in Parliament. All that we can say at this point is to say we respect the decisions of our judiciary, and we will make sure that that which needs to be done correctly is done correctly, because we are not called the leader of society for nothing. We are called the leader of society because we must set the standard. We have been given birth to the kind of Bill of Rights and the Constitution that we're celebrating this year, and therefore we are going to do the right thing.
Does the African National Congress look at this judgment as a blow to the party, given the fact that, as much as it was looking at the parliamentary processes and procedure, but at the center of it is the leader of the African National Congress?
If you could just reiterate the question.
So essentially I'm trying to say whether you believe this is a massive blow on the party, because the party president, the head of state, is at the center of this.
No, we don't think that it's a test of the strength of our democracy. We don't see it as a massive blow. I think it's a test of the strength of our democracy. And I think all of us here, members of the media, know the importance that even the president, speaking about the person in this instance, places on the rule of law. And we don't see it as a blow, we see it as a test of democracy, and it must be taken to the highest level, and that is why the findings and the judgment is a lesson for South Africa, and is a lesson for any political party. It's not something to do grandstanding about, as some of smaller parties that have never had the taste and the experience of government would do. As we've just listened to the rantings of those that believe that this is about taking a party down. It's not about that. It is a test of our democracy and the strength of our democracy. And as the ANC, we are going to be alive to that and continue to defend the constitution that we fought for